I have some questions for you. According to this text, what has caused us to sleep less? Technology. Anything else? Work. Are we working more or less?
We're working more.
More. Is the technology making us work harder or less harder?
Supposed to make us work less harder.
But
it does not.
yeah, we're actually working harder than ever before. And for me, for example, when I teach online classes, I work much harder than teaching you face-to-face. Much more time, much more energy. It should be the opposite. Okay? According to this article, how much sleep does a person generally need? 8 hours. Is that for everybody? Children, adults, old people? Does it specify? It doesn't specify. Do you think children need more sleep?
Yes.
Why?
Their body needs more time
To develop and restore, right? This text told us that sleep has great powers to restore us, right? So is sleep like medicine?
Yes.
Yes, it's like medicine. And I have to tell you, when I work very hard and become stressed, I like to sleep 8 or 9 hours. So, why is this book, Why We Sleep, important?
People need to know how dangerous it is not to sleep.
Yeah. Do you think sleep's important? Before you read this, did you know?
Now I know more.
So our objective maybe has gotten a little closer. Do you think companies are correct in putting these nap pods?
Yes.
Why, Hank?
According to them, which I agree, they say that some people work better in the morning, some people work better at night. So each person has different sleeping time. So installing nap pods in the company allows him to sleep now and work better, or work better and sleep later.
Okay. Do you work better in morning or night?
I haven't thought about it. So for me right now, that's what I'm
Okay. How about you ladies? Are you morning or night people?
I think I'm a night.
Night? Morning? And in this text, what do they call the morning person?
Early birds.
And what do they call the night person?
Night owls.
Night owl. So that's your homework. Are you a night owl or an early bird?
I have to find out.
Okay. So I'm going to give you one more thing to do together. What I'm going to ask you to do is to read these cards. I'm going to give Hank student A, so you are the doctor.
Okay.
And you are going to see these two students. Oh, it says he, but it's she. She is confused, okay, and in a bad mood. She asks you for help and wants medicine to stay awake, okay? You tell her she needs sleep, not drugs, and you explain why. So that is your role. You are the doctor. Ladies, you are the students going to the doctor. You have to excuse me, I put he instead of she. But you are going to this doctor and you must demand from him medicine because you have to study for your exams. You don't have time to sleep. So you are asking for the drugs. Keep me awake. Give me caffeine. Give me something. Okay? So I'll let you discuss that together. Time to sleep. So you asked the doctor for the drug, and he told you the sleep will help you be more productive. Is that true? It's true.
It's true.
Yeah. But you said, I don't have time right now.
I need to graduate.
Yeah. So if you don't have time to get enough sleep, what can you do? You can use caffeine. You can use caffeine. But one thing that I've heard many students say to me is that if I sleep today for 5 hours, tomorrow I'll sleep for 8. Can you catch up?
I think yes.
You think yes?
I think
Yeah, I think so.
I don't know.
I think so too.
Think about it when you travel internationally. When you travel home, you lose a lot of time. So what do that first day?
You sleep.
You sleep more because you're playing catch up. So it is possible to catch up, you know. Does this article talk about catch up?
No.
No. So it would be something to research in our next class or in future classes. How productive is catch up? Is it possible to can you go for 5 days with this much sleep and then get 8 hours and be normal again? That's what we'll talk about in future classes when we continue to talk about sleep. So before you go today, I have one last thing for you to do. I'm going to give you an exit ticket so that you can leave. On this ticket, I want you to think about how many hours of sleep you've had in 1 week, starting Sunday through Saturday. So today is Thursday, so go Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday, Sunday, and Friday, Saturday of last week. And write the number of hours of sleep you've had, and then compare with each other and give me the card back. Because I heard the word sleeps, and then I heard sleep. I got a lot of sleeps. But this is a strange word. It is singular and plural. And is it a noun or a verb?
Both.
Both. Very good. That's why it's confusing. Because we have the third person singular. He sleeps, she sleeps. One sleep, deep sleep. I guess you could technically say many sleeps. But grammatically, this is an odd word. It's an uncountable because it's a condition, a state. Like another condition would be hungry. Is this a singular or a plural?
Hungry.
Both. Both. Okay, so the condition of being hungry, not they are hungries, they're hungry. Yeah. Okay, so it's a non-count. So states, conditions are non-count. Okay. So thank you very much for coming to class. Next time we'll talk more about playing catch-up and how productive it is with sleep.
Yeah, okay. Good. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.